Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Freshsales CRM email tracking for sales reps, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable email tracking in Freshsales CRM, begin by logging into your Freshsales account. Once logged in, navigate to the settings menu. Look for the email option under the general settings section. Click on the email option to access the email settings. In the email settings, locate the email tracking feature. Toggle the email tracking option to turn it on. Next, ensure that you have linked your email account to Freshsales. If you haven't done this yet, click on Connect Email. Choose your email service provider from the list provided. Follow the prompts to authorize Freshsales to access your email account. Once your email is connected, proceed to the Sales tab on the dashboard. Under the Sales tab, click on Deals. Select the deal you want to associate with email tracking. Now, compose a new email using the Freshsales email interface. Before sending, look for the email tracking checkbox. Make sure the email tracking option is checked. Send your email as usual. After your email has been sent, you can monitor its status in the Freshsales CRM. To check the tracking details, go back to the Deal page. Here, you will see notifications for email opens and link clicks. Encourage your sales reps to check these insights regularly. This will help them adjust their strategies based on engagement. By following these steps, you'll enable effective email tracking in Freshsales CRM. This feature enhances communication and engagement with potential clients. Your sales team will be better equipped to close deals with these insights. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.